So hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to repair the Bang & Olufsen A1 or the A1 Mark II. So let's get into it. Here's the speaker I got. It has a problem where it farts, so when you twist it, this comes off. And here is the speaker. So the problem with the speaker is that it farts. So I will show you really quick. So you can clearly hear that it's broken. Yeah, and the reason behind it is that the plastic chassis it has, it cracks. So as you can see, it's cracked here and most likely in these holes where the screws go, it's broken too. So I will show you how you can find it. Okay, so you will take the speaker and put it next to your mouth. It may sound like weird, but it's a really sensitive part of your body, so you can really easily identify where the air is coming from. So after you do that, the most common places are around the perimeter of the speaker, so check that. And in the screws, really common place, and around the speaker. So I will test it and I will be right back. Okay, so as you can hear, the air is coming from this, and this hole. Plus, here's the crack. So, and I can see another crack here. Perfect. So 2 cracks, one here, one here. Actually, one here. Oh my god, this is going to be terrible to repair. Yeah. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's take it apart. I will be using these kinds of glues. You can use super glue. I've had good luck with it. Now I'm going to use this UAGO glue, which I used for refilming of a JL audio. So this kind of glue can take a lot of stress, so it may be good for this too. So let's take it apart. You will need a probably T10. Yeah. So Torx 10. And really carefully we are going to unscrew it. Open it up. The speaker has these kind of clamps here, so what you will do is just take them out like this, press on the top and pull it out and wiggle it a bit, and yeah, it comes out. So this part looks good. No cracking here. You may have these legs here broken, but this one seems to be okay, so we are not going to worry about this. Let me see, they look all good. You may have to glue these standoffs if they are broken. If you have some leaking air around the speaker itself, so it's not coming from the sides, but from this area here, you will have to take off the speaker 4 screws here. You'll have to get some tape, this kind. You will get it from places like AliExpress. You just stick it on the speaker and it will create a airtight seal. And another benefit is it will push on the back of the speaker, so there is no way it's going to come out. So this is a bit too wide, so you will get some scissors and cut it in half. Yeah, and then you can easily repair this air leaking from the speaker. Again, this is not our case, so we will just repair the cracks in the plastic. Yeah, here's the broken plastic actually. And I would recommend you to take this foam strip out, because we want the best seal from the glue that we can get. So take this off. Now we will clean these areas with some isopropyl alcohol, and we will have to glue them together. As you can see, just take your towel and dip it in the alcohol and go like this, and it will clean up really nicely. So as you can see, you have nice clean areas here that we can glue together. This one is the bad. This is terrible actually. So I might start with this one here. I'll use this glue for the inside and the other glue for the super glue for the outside, as this will be a harder coat, thicker. So should be clean inside. I might take my towel and clean it up again from the inside too, so it's nice and clean. Be careful when cleaning it that it doesn't come off like the plastic. The other points should be fine. Okay, and just glue it together. Okay. So that's good. Get a bit further here. Okay, this one is pretty bad here, so I will add some more. So now let's clean this area up, because the glue got into it, so with a flathead screwdriver just clean it up a bit and it's going to be okay. Be careful, there is a seal, so don't tear that seal, because there is going to be coming out from the seal, not sealing up. Okay, so everything looks good here. Now I will use some super glue for the outside of the speaker, for this part here. Push it down on it so it makes a nice seal. Actually, I missed the spot right here. Okay, so it's all nicely okay, so make something like this, yeah. Push it nicely on it for like a minute. Really thin coat, just get it into the holes. Okay, so just clean it up really nicely so the glue sticks good. Okay, and now we will add some glue here. As before, really thin coat. Because if you add too much, you can't close the case up, so yeah. Something like this here. Nice thin coat of glue. Okay, so now we will sit here and wait for it to dry. Yeah. Then we will screw it back together and it's okay. It's great to use again. So when you are done with the drying of the glue, just take the connectors. They are color coded, so it's really easy. Just take the white one and connect it to the white. Take the red one and connect it to the red. And okay, so when you connect it all and it still makes some nasty sounds, you might as well just get a hot glue gun and just fill the space where the screw goes. Not good. Okay. That may be from the screws. It's coming from the screws. If we plug up the screws, it's going to sound okay again. So, my kind of solution for the screws is not to fill the whole thing, just the upper part, because if you need to take this apart someday, it's going to be easier. Just pop this up and dig out the glue to get to the screws. If you fill this whole thing up from the bottom to top, yeah, good luck digging that out. So just maybe try to fill just the upper part. Okay, so our glue is ready, so let's just pour it in. So something like this is good. Okay, let's move to the next one. I like to start from the top so the glue drips down and it's easier to glue it that way. Everything is glued now, as you can see, and add the last thing here, the foam gasket, so it doesn't wrap or vibrate against this metal thing. Now let's test it out with the same song here. So that's about it for this video. Bye bye.